Next, we have Dr. Karthik Ramesh, National Co-Director and Principal Board Member of IFIA Bharat, who will share his insights and roadmap for the future. He's an alumnus of Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning and several other premier institutes of India. He currently serves as the Group Chief Growth Officer of Tabby USA, a multi-billion-dollar group, and is the CEO for Middle East and Africa for their billion-dollar AI group company. Dr. Karthik Ramesh.
Saram, esteemed dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, respected elders, brothers and sisters. Today is a very special day of Onam, and also it is a great day for United Arab Emirates. And in this moment of celebration, it gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the launch of not just the International Federation Inventors Association, which is the oldest association in the world which is fostering innovation, recognizing inventions, a United Nations body established in 1968. And on this momentous occasion, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to Sadhguru Sri Dr. Madhusudan Sai for enabling this invention ecosystem. People talk about innovation. Steve Jobs once said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." We, as the International Federation of Inventors Association, dreamt big, not just to make a dent in the technology world of healthcare education, but we wanted to tie it along the ideals laid down by Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai in terms of the global humanitarian mission, the one world, one family. And in one interaction, Sadhguru very beautifully inspired the IFIA board about the need to focus on invention with impact, the need to focus on social and rural causes when we talk about inventions and innovation. I also want to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to some of our associate partners, including Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprises, who is one of the sponsors of most of the events of IFIA, and a very renowned US group, which is the Tabby Group, which is already working with Sadhguru's mission here in the space of conversational AI and large language models. It is the commitment of such companies which is empowering IFI Bharat to look at what is next in the best interest of not just innovation ecosystem, but the country and the world as a whole. As we chart the way forward, we are embracing a new era of global collaboration. With the esteemed presence of royal family members here from United Arab Emirates and the Royal Kingdom here in India, as well as the other esteemed dignitaries, I'm reminded of UAE's Vision 2071, which is focused on making their country as the #1 country at the forefront of healthcare, especially focused on cardiovascular diseases, cancer, immunology, genomics. And many of these visions laid down by the great president, His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan of United Arab Emirates, I see there is a mirroring of that cause, of that impact, which IFI Bharat can partner with countries which are forward-looking, like the United Arab Emirates. We will shortly be celebrating also the Saudi Day, and Saudi Vision 2030 is also talking of a similar thriving economy, which is not just based on ambition and economic growth, but the need to focus on innovation with social impact. We are also greatly excited and looking forward to some of the foundational work which IFI Bharat can recognize in this space of inventions. A few months back, 4 students from the Sri Sathya Sai University of Human Excellence here in Muddenahalli were selected to represent at Junicons in Texas. And they came up with some mind-blowing innovations and inventions. And I remember Sadhguru asked me, why don't you evaluate about these inventions? Are they capable of recognition? And I must tell you that Silicon Valley founders, investors who attended the event in Texas, Austin, have greatly lauded the efforts of our own students in Muddenahalli. And that has set a great purpose and encouragement for IFA Bharat that we should foster this ecosystem which Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai has created for all of us. As we celebrate the future and we look forward to the roadmap under the guidance and visionary leadership of Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai, I would like to take a moment to honor the tapestry of cultures, the unity of faiths, which this 100 days of world cultural celebration is signifying. And truly, IFIA, with Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai's direction and blessings, I'm sure, will become a melting pot of not just invention, innovation, but also that of inspiration to the entire mankind to create invention capabilities at global scale. With these few words, we once again thank Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai, the IFIA board members, and all of our associate partners who have gathered here, and the startups whom you will shortly see, for being together with us on this momentous occasion. Thank you. Sai Ram.